Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm going to do a bloom and I'm going to use a new cell activator that I figured out. It's going to be black and I've added some WD-40 to my black paint and some American Floetrol. And I will put the recipe in the description under the video. So stick around and I'll show you how it goes. Hi everyone, here I am. I'm going to do my bloom with the new cell activator. So I'm going to use today Grumbacher turquoise. It's a really pretty color. I got some purple. This is a blue violet by Amsterdam. And I also have some twinkle, this little piggy, and some gold. So let me see, gold. Maybe I'll try this one second this time. It's got some purpley tints to it. And actually, you know what? I can't put purple on top of that. With a black cell activator. I think this is too dark to use. I have a pink. Actually, I'll see what pink looks like. This is a Deco Art Extreme Sheen Rose Quartz. And some gold. Because I'm using a black cell activator, I didn't want to use the dark purple. Maybe at the bottom it would have been okay. I'll try the gold on top, and I think I'll use my little mini blower again. Try to be very careful. This is an Amsterdam black. works awesome. I think it's a winner, folks. I think it's a winner. Now I'm going to tell you what it is. It's Amsterdam black oxide, oxide black. And how many did I do? 3 American Floetrol, so 3 to 1. And about 3 drops of WD-40. Who knew? That's pretty awesome. I'll let that come back into the middle. I almost feel like adding a bit more. I'll probably wreck it, so I'm not gonna. I also did one with Bars Black, and it worked, but the Amsterdam works better. Mars Black by Winsor Newton. There's some air bubbles in there. Okay, still stuck in the middle a little. That's really pretty, isn't it? Just one little part stuck in there. I'm going to be right back. Should make a bigger puddle with my colors. I wouldn't have to stretch it so much. Blow it out a little further. All right, let me try and spin this. Go the other direction. Oh, I can't seem to. That's looking pretty nice. Well, it looks like I might have to leave the white on there. I don't think it's going to stretch anymore, but oh my God, that's so gorgeous. I'm going to have the negative space this time. Isn't it pretty? Except for these white dots. Look, they're even here. Okay, I gotta stop painting for tonight. Just take away a few. I don't mind a few, but okay, there. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave the white. I don't mind it at all. So hold it up for you. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty. The pink and the gold, and that twinkle. You can see the the purple and it's going to shine once it dries. So thanks for coming by for this one. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, comment below, let me know what you think. And yeah, come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Hi everyone. Here's my dried little canvas. I did. It's drying really good. Just the middle might be a little damp. I'm not going to touch it, but everything else is really good. Look at those colors. Those cells. I think it works beautifully. Give it a try. New CA. And that shiny. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.